your other hand for me?
We all heard about fake cops. There is even a lot movies on that theme. But today, we are going to see what happens when a real police officer encounter a man who is impersonating U.S. Marshal. But first, in today's episode, we got this Navy SEAL raging on police officers and resisting arrest, making a complete chaos out there on the road. So make sure you stick around. In the early hours of February 6th, 2023, police in Arizona apprehended a reckless driver, 59-year-old Darren Runyon, on State Route 89A. Runyon's vehicle was trailing a gas pump hose. Despite his claim of no weapons, officers discovered a 10-inch Bowie knife in the car. During the investigation, Runyon punched and bit the officers while resisting arrest.
Keep your hands out of your pockets. Where's your ID at?
In my driver's license, right there in my wallet.
In your wallet?
Yeah.
Where's your wallet at?
Right in the front. My credit card got eaten today. I got jumped at my house. I got hit with a shotgun. I got to get the dog to Prescott.
524, we're out.
Seriously, look at my nose. Got jumped at home. I'm a Navy SEAL. I got to get this dog here. I had to take an auxiliary car.
You're a Navy SEAL?
Yeah.
Where are you stationed at?
Down in San Diego Harbor.
San Diego Harbor?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm lost. I asked you for directions. I got to get this dog here. I ran out of gas.
Okay.
I gave these kids my very good knife so someone need to get it. I don't know where I'm at. Granite Reef Basin. It said Prescott how long ago? I really do. Be good.
You're not going anywhere.
Be good, America.
No.
What the? What are you doing? Get down. God damn it. I gotta get the dog there. Help! Help! Help!
Hey,
Help!
you just made things way worse for yourself by assaulting an officer.
I didn't. He punched me first.
That's absolutely incorrect.
Help! Help!
Now,
No, I just gotta get there,
Put your
man.
arm behind your
give
back.
me your arm.
What's up your ass, man? No, man, I got with the dog usual.
I got his head. Get your arm.
God damn you.
Put your arm behind your back now.
You people up, man. God damn, they're gonna kill you. They're gonna kill you. Son of a bitch.
Hey, don't bite me.
Son of a
Do not bite me.
You bit me.
Do not bite me.
You realize you just committed a felony, right? Your car's getting towed because you decided to commit a felony.
She's from Israel, you goddamn son of a bitch. Help!
Pat down.
I'm a
man.
Navy SEAL! These guys are me! Help! 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 I'm trying to get away. See.
All right, let's get you stood up here.
Got anything on you? Any drugs?
No, I don't drugs. I'm a SEAL.
Okay.
How's my face?
How's your face?
I got jumped back there. I'm trying to get this dog to Prescott.
You gotta have a seat here, sir.
Runyon was arrested and charged with aggravated assault on a police officer, resisting arrest, and misconduct involving weapons. On July 31st, 2023, a Marion County Sheriff's deputy observed a black pickup truck with flashing red and blue emergency lights driving through a red light in Summerfield, Florida. The truck's driver, identified as 52-year-old Derry Wayne Lambert, was wearing a hat with Police U.S. Marshal and displayed a badge, claiming to be responding to a shooting. Suspecting deceit, the deputy investigated further. Lambert insisted he was a U.S. Marshal, even checking a non-existent wristwatch.
Where are you headed to? Okay. You have your driver's license on you? What's new with the purple lights? Yeah, they look purple tonight. Where are you headed to? A shooting in Marion? Okay, 10th floor. You got your Marshals out here? I'm sorry? Alright, just hang tight for me. Who is it? I'm sorry? Yes, sir. Okay. What? Okay. Give me a way to verify your identity here, other than calling down there. You said was it Dylan? Spell it. Galbraith?
In Moffitt Cancer Center, so I flew back down to my second house. Yeah, exactly. I know exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
When you talk to us, get your hands up. Okay?
Thank you. Oh, I got no.
Thank you. Just want to talk to us, okay?
Yeah, I get the whole story.
You done with him? Yeah. Yep, 10-4. Okay. Yep, should I stay 10-12 until Sarge gets here, or just go 10-15? Sergeant Warren. Okay, 10-4.
I'll call Mike when I get home.
I'm sorry?
I'll call Mike when I get home.
Okay.
What's that in weeds last week?
I'm sorry?
I was telling him, what's that in weeds? I got red bugs. Eat me up chasing a guy through the damn forest the other night.
All right, do me a favor. Just go ahead and turn around for me. Okay, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
I'll explain it to you.
I've been the rest of my life.
Well, all right. So you're going to be arrested for impersonating a police officer, okay? I'm going to go ahead and read this to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent.
The whole thing.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I explained to you? Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to us now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So when I saw you coming through the intersection, where were you headed to?
Marion Oaks.
Okay. Why?
I got a call, the four-wheeler was spotted.
Okay. So you were...
Going to get my car.
Who spotted the four-wheeler?
Huh?
Who spotted the four-wheeler?
I have two partners down here.
Okay. What are your partners' names?
Jim.
Jim. Is it James or Jim?
No, it's Jim.
Jim? Okay. What's Jim's last name?
Wilson.
Wilson?
And the other one's John Terra. He's Spanish.
Tara?
I think it's Terra.
Spell it.
I don't know how you spell his last name. Spanish.
Okay. Does he work with you as well?
Yeah, we're down here for a week.
Where do you work at?
Where do I work at?
Yes, sir. Where do you work at?
I told you I live in Texas.
Okay.
I have a house here and one in Texas.
Okay. All right. And who do you work for? Who are you employed by?
United States Marshal Service.
U.S. Marshals. Okay. You told me that you don't have your credentials with you, but they're in your...
Yeah, my Charger.
In your Charger. A work vehicle?
Right.
Okay. Who's the Charger registered to?
It's registered to the Marshal Service.
Marshals. Okay.
That's my personal vehicle.
So why would the Marshals outfit your personal vehicle with lights and sirens?
In Texas, it's not like here.
Okay.
You don't have cars like this.
You have a Florida
trucks.
tag.
I know.
Okay.
Would you mind turning the lights on for us?
Well,
If I could undo my hands, yeah.
but here's what I'm gonna do. Tell me how to do it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go through it. You want?
Come on.
Well, relax.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm not going to listen.
Well, come on, I'm not going to. It's all my road.
Impersonating a police officer and possession of a firearm and commission of a felony.
I have a license to carry a gun.
Doesn't matter.
Unable to verify his credentials, Lambert was arrested. His vehicle contained a control panel for emergency lights and a firearm. Lambert was charged with false impersonation of a law enforcement officer, unlawful use of blue lights, unlawful use of a badge, and possession of a firearm during a felony. At the jail, diazepam pills were found in his wallet, adding charges for possession of diazepam and introduction of contraband into a detention facility. Lambert eventually admitted he was not a U.S. Marshal.
A badge. Okay.